Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another Science is Cool. Today's topic is all about our solar system. Our Earth is one of our planets in our solar system. In the center of our solar system is our Sun, which is a star. And planets revolve around it in their own orbit. Aside from our planets, we have also these natural satellites, these meteors, these asteroids and comets. Let's learn about this right here in our Science is Cool. Our Sun is in the center of our solar system, and the Sun is actually a star, and it's made up of helium and hydrogen that reacts and gives out heat energy and light, which is very important to all living things on Earth. Our Sun is about 110 times bigger than our Earth. The Sun is 150 million kilometers away from us. The light from the Sun reaches about 8 minutes. The planet in our solar system is divided into two groups, the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets are smaller and are composed of rocks. They have few or no natural satellite or rings of dust and rocks circling them. The outer planets often gives dozens of natural satellites and rings. The planets are composed mainly gases. Each planet has an orbit of different length around the Sun. The further the planet from the Sun, the longer the orbit. All 8 planets moves around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. The first planet and smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. It has no natural satellite. The temperature can reach as high of 430 degrees Celsius during daytime, and during nighttime as cold as negative 180 degrees Celsius. It completes a year about 88 Earth days and a day about 59 Earth days. The second planet in our solar system is Venus. The air is poisonous there. It is the hottest planet and has no natural satellite. A year in Venus is 225 days, and one day in Venus is 243 Earth days. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in our solar system that has life as we know it today. 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, and the only planet that has surface water. Earth has only one natural satellite. We call it Moon. The Moon is a ball of rock without air and water, and it orbits the Earth. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. It also known as the red planet due to the red iron oxide in the soil. Mars is dusty and dry. It has very thin atmosphere composed of carbon dioxide, and it has 2 natural satellites. A year in Mars is 687 Earth days. That is 2 Earth years. And a day in Mars is 24.6 hours, just like Earth. Now let's get into the science of the outer planets of our solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet. It is the largest planet and the first in our outer planet in our group. Jupiter is cold and has poisonous air. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. It also called the gas giant. Jupiter has a giant spinning spot, which is a storm, and we call it the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is almost size of 3 Earth, and Jupiter has 69 natural satellites. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in our solar system. The ring of Saturn makes the most beautiful planet in our solar system. The rings are made up of ice and rocks. Saturn is also a gas giant made up of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 62 natural satellites. The seventh planet from the Sun is Uranus. It is the third largest planet in our solar system. It is very cold and windy. It is also called as the ice planet. Uranus is spinning on its side. It rotates on its axis about 17 hours faster than the Earth. Uranus takes 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune is the eighth and furthest planet from the Sun. The planet is 4 times the size of the Earth. Neptune appears blue because of the methane in the atmosphere, including hydrogen and helium, with traces of ammonia and water. Neptune spins very quickly. It takes 16 hours to complete its rotation or a day, and it takes 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune has 14 natural satellites. Did you know before 2006 there were 9 planets in our solar system? Pluto was the 9th planet and furthest planet from the Sun. On August 24, 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is an object in our solar system that orbits around the Sun, but its orbit is full of other objects like asteroids and comets. As of to date, we have 5 dwarf planets, namely Ceres, Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. There are plenty of asteroids in our solar system. Asteroids are pieces of rock which are smaller than a dwarf planet. They orbit around between Mars and Jupiter that we called asteroid belt, and after Neptune that we called Kepler's belt. 65 million years ago, an asteroid with a diameter of 10 kilometers struck the Earth and killed the dinosaurs. There are plenty of rocks that travels around the solar system. Meteoroids are smaller than asteroids. It ranges from smaller than a grain of sand or dust to a large pieces of rocks. If an meteoroid falls into the Earth's atmosphere, it gets hot and burned. It's seen as a streak of light in the sky that we call meteor or a falling star. Comets are lumps of ice and dust. When a comet comes in too close into the sun, part of the ice melts and leaves behind a tail of dust and ice vapors that appears as long glowing tail that stretches a few kilometers. So that's about it for now. Catch another episode right here in our Science is Cool. I'm Blair saying bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember, kids, that science is cool. Ciao!